Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's. So today I have a Diagnosis. This was built by somebody, the owner built this about 2 years ago. Attempted to start it, no start, let it sit, and then just decided, you know what, I want to get it running. Basically did a heads cam intake, and it was his first time and used a lot of information from YouTube and, you know, did the best he could, but couldn't get it to fire up. So now he brought it to me, and my job is to get it to fire up, and if anything is not correct, it is to fix it. So alright, so what I did was, since it didn't have any oil in it, took the coil plug off and I just cranked it over a couple times just to get some oil pressure. So now let's see if we get this thing to fire up. If not, we'll go on to the next point of the inspection and diagnosis. Absolutely does not want to fire up. So alright, so what I've done now is put my spark tester here. We're going to see if this motherfucker even got spark. Make sure the key is on. Very little spark. Very little spark. Okay. Alright, so I just re-stabbed the timing. The timing was super off, so timing's good now. Actually, the second time I did it, the first time I was 180'd out. But let's give it another fucking shot now. This first time, see what happens. Alright, so I got it somewhat kind of the start, and I don't think I like it. Yeah, that is not sounding good. Sheesh. Yeah, we're gonna need to do further diagnosis on this. Alright, so it just started fucking pouring on me, but every cylinder on the car was pretty much low. And then we got this thing on the cylinder 8 right there, but there's absolutely, just to check my button, but there's no compression in this one cylinder. You can see how the engine's spinning. Could be bent valves, incorrectly adjusted roller rockers, or could be bottom end.